The Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, the ASAJ, has defended its decision to increase entry fees for the upcoming Mayberry High School's tertiary swim meet. Gerard Morseely reports.
At least one coach expressed disappointment at the adjustments in the entry fees for the high performance meet geared towards preparation for the Carifta Games. Kingston College swim coach Miguel Jonas slammed the ASAJ for the price hike to over $150,000 for the one-day meet, saying it has negatively affected his team's strength.
So my full team won't be coming out because not all the parents can find the $3,000. So when you work it out, that's what it comes down to. Each parent have to find $3,000, which is still a little bit expensive for the one-day meet. Normally, it was $1,000 and $1,600 for the relay. Now it's $2,000 per swimmer plus $2,500 for the relays. So everything is doubled, basically.
Despite the cry, the local governing body has justified the move. Chairman of the ASAJ's School Swimming Committee, Joseph Reynolds, says a financial assessment led to the decision.
A number of things. When we did a cost analysis, well, I'm a director of finance, did a cost analysis of keeping these meets, we found out we were losing money. And losing money, it didn't help us when we need to send our teams overseas. For example, the Carifta swimmers, unlike the track and field athletes, the Carifta swimmers have to find their own fare, their own hotel fee, they have to pay the coaches, because ASAJ just don't have those pool of funds to give to them, and the coaches, of course, are not paid very well. So we decided that, listen, let us start making some money so that we can make the persons who want to and have been selected to represent Jamaica, pay a little bit less, if not go down to zero.
Mr. Reynolds, who is also on the World Aquatics list of referees, says others have shown concern, but after explaining the expenses, accepted that the move was necessary.
They don't recognize that we have to pay KSAC, we have to pay JCAP, we have to pay to play the music, we have to have medical practitioners there, we have to rent tent, we have to feed the timekeepers and the other deck officials, myself included, and by the way, we volunteer. We don't take any pay whatsoever. All volunteers, the only thing we get is the lunch that we get on the day. So it really was costing us a lot to put on these meet, and we really had to at least break even. Now with these fees, we found out that we can make a little profit, so we can make things better for those, especially those swimmers who make the national team.
Close to 30 schools are expected to enter the competition, which will be held at the National Aquatic Centre on March 20. Gerard Morseely for TVJ Sports.